This is the VOA Special English Agriculture Report. American beef is returning to Japan. The Japanese government last week ended a ban in place since January over concerns about mad cow disease. Japanese officials recently inspected 35 beef processing centers in the United States. They said all but one met Japanese safety requirements. The ban on beef led to threats in Congress of trade restrictions against Japan. The Japanese were the top buyer of American beef. The government first banned shipments in December of 2003. That was when the United States reported its first case of mad cow disease, bovine spongiform encephalopathy, or BSE. The Japanese lifted their ban last December, but renewed it in January after the discovery of backbone material in a meat shipment. In all, there have been 3 confirmed cases of BSE in the United States. The first was in a Canadian-born cow in Washington State. Last year, a cow in Texas was found to have BSE. And in March of this year, a cow in Alabama tested positive for the disease. About 20 nations continue to ban American beef. Others restrict some kinds of cattle products. Japan accepts only beef from cattle 20 months of age or younger. Also, processors must remove backbones and other parts that experts say could spread the disease. Eating infected meat products has been blamed for more than 150 deaths, mostly in Britain. Agriculture Secretary Mike Johanns says American beef is extremely safe. The Japanese ended their ban 1 week after Mr. Johanns announced reductions in the BSE testing program. The program will now test about 40,000 animals a year. That is still 10 times the level suggested by the World Animal Health Organization. Since June of 2004, the Agriculture Department has tested an average of more than 1,000 animals per day. 2 years of testing found 2 cases of BSE. Mr. Johanns noted that both animals were born before the United States banned feeding cattle protein to other cattle. A 7-year government study estimated the most likely number of cases at between 4 and 7 out of 42 million adult cattle. But critics say the United States should be testing more cattle, not fewer. And that's the VOA Special English Agriculture Report, written by Mario Ritter. Transcripts and archives of our programs are at voaspecialenglish.com. I'm Steve Ember.